Hey there, Pretty Plant Girl here. I'm now 7.5, 8 weeks before my average last frost, and I'm going to be planting my 10-week stock. So this is a dwarf stock. I'm not sure if I have any seeds left in this package here, but I have some collected seeds. So let's just have a quick look. Oh, there's a few seeds in here, I think. Let's see. See if we can get them out. So this is a nice dwarf plant. Beautiful flowers on it. And the seeds are fairly easy to collect. So that's all, a bunch of collected seed there. And I'm just going to put a couple on top of each cell here. I have two 12-cell seed trays. So we get a couple of dozen plants out of these. You don't need to put this many on, but when it's collected seeds, sometimes, it's not always as viable as we would like. So this way we just have a good chance of having a few viable seeds in each cell. And I could have germination tested these, and I have videos on how to do that, but I don't know, I was just feeling a little lazy this year and I didn't do that, so. And that's basically what there is to planting stalks. I am going to spray it a little bit just to settle the seeds onto the soil. The soil's already moist. This is just my peat moss mix that I plant my seeds in. They don't need to be covered with any soil. They just need to be settled in on top. So you can press them with your fingers or do like I'm doing and just use some water to kind of settle them down onto that surface a little better. So now they're all watered in and settled into the soil. We just need some humidity domes. Grab a couple of those. And you could just put plastic or something in a bag, anything over top just to hold the humidity in and make sure the holes are closed up. They're going to go on my grow shelf. Now they want a nice warm place to germinate. My room in here is right around the mid-20s, usually about 24 in here. It's quite warm with all the humidity and heat from a couple of heat mats going, all these lights going. It's just warm in here. But if you have a cooler space, then you might need a heat mat to get them going. And then they usually pop up fairly quickly. And then you want to take them off any heat that you might have put them on. Take the humidity domes off and give them lots and lots of light. So nice bright light. If your lights aren't very strong, you might want to just lower them down real close or raise the plant pots up, whatever's easier. So they're getting really good strong light. And then when the weather has warmed up and you're no longer getting frosts, you can put them outside, plant them outside, and you'll have some beautiful flowers to go, and they make great cut flowers. So it's a nice one to have in a cutting garden. So thanks for coming along with me while I planted my stalks, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.